Hand off to Loganzo. You got to watch her a few more times. There you go. We want everybody to be able to see what's happening there. Did you feel a little something there?
Yeah, but not much.
All right, look, here, well, I'm going to leave it up to you. When you're ready for more medicine, you're going to tell me more medicine, okay?
I think I'm doing all right.
All right. I'm happy to give you more
let us know
when you want it.
A dull pain or a sting. Please don't squirt me.
I'm going to really try not to squirt you. So, we're not using the scalpel now, Mr. Crusader. I'm just using my scissors. I'm going to open up a little bit here, see what we can find. I got good news for you so far. This does not look infected.
That's always a good thing.
One day it broke at work.
Did it drain?
Oh, yeah.
Sweet.
No, it wasn't. Not a good thing.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me with the scalpel.
Pay no attention to the woman behind the camera.
I know I have issues. For a person that does not feel too well, has a lot of energy.
You got a lot of energy today, that is for sure. You're taking your Meta 7, aren't you?
I've been taking my Meta 7 every day, sir.
So how much weight have you lost now?
12 pounds.
Awesome.
16 more to go.
Good God.
I'm trying to disappear.
How you feeling, bud?
I got about 80 to go.
You got about 80?
Lost 20.
Well,
There you go.
we're gonna take off a little of it right now. Right, little Gonzo?
Yeah, that's like 10 pounds from there, so you got
This
10
could be
more
at least a 10-pound cyst for you.
Good. We'll keep cutting. Maybe find more.
Watch out. There you go. Yeah, you never know what we're gonna find.
So hey, Fozzie, do you think I'm immature and annoying?
No.
Thank you.
Did you see that, little Gonzo?
Yes.
Did you see that squirt we had there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you get squirted?
No. That's cottage cheesy. So I ain't gonna.
Could be more like butter. Doesn't have to be cottage cheesy.
It's old buttermilk. Yeah, some old buttermilk. It's old butterface. No, I'm just kidding.
You're video, not audio, right? Recording.
Yeah, we're audio too. Don't worry. They're saying those things just for the fans. They think it's funny to make noises like that, and you know, whenever they see something come out, to try to describe it in terms of some kind of food. You hurting, bud?
Nope.
Or are you just kind of uncomfortable?
Just sweating.
He's hot.
It's a little warm in this room. Hey, Fozzie, can you open the door a little bit for us?
Yes.
I'm always hot.
Okay, calm
It's been
down.
hot in here today.
It can be 60 degrees outside and I'll be sweating.
What kind of temperature do you keep your house when you sleep at night?
75.
Really?
And I'll usually wake up sweated on neck.
Well, I like it a little cooler than that if I can get away with it. But the DW, she doesn't always like it that cold.
I was freezing that night. Those 2 nights I was staying over.
Uh-huh.
I was freezing.
Your babysitting nights?
Yep.
I had my way, it'd be on about 72.
72 is not bad. I like 72.
My house is on 68.
68? Really? How you feeling, bud? Feeling any pain?
Nope.
So I think the pain medicine maybe we just got started a little too early on you.
I think I did. We did.
Or,
I did.
Or maybe it was that second 4 cc's that really helped.
5 actually.
Okay, or 5 cc's.
Or maybe it was the heroin I did out in the parking lot.
Yeah, maybe that heroin just kicked in. Maybe that's what it was. Well, we're opening things up here. That is for sure.
Ooh, it's beating. I'm just kidding.
It's got a pulse, huh? Is that what you're saying?
Yup.
It's a child.
Pay no attention to her.
I have issues. And Fozzie's over here making the noise. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, that's all cysts. You got a good picture there?
Oh yeah.
It is all cysts. It would be nice if we just grab onto it and the whole thing just came out, wouldn't it?
That would be really nice, but that's
It just doesn't.
not gonna happen.
It's just too easy. It's not going to happen. Not with one that's been here as long as this. How many years you had this one?
9?
9 years.
I didn't know it was the same one.
Oh, really?
I got it drained. I came here and had it drained.
And that was what when initially?
Yeah, that was, I don't know, 4 years ago or something like that.
Before my days, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, I was still doing time down in the Caribbean for smuggling rum.
I think Dr. McClendon did it.
Yeah, Dr. Mack. Brew Mack.
And drained
the
it,
cyst.
and that was it.
So he just basically released the infection for you.
And then about probably a year ago,
We'll go like that.
I noticed it started hurting.
Yeah.
And I
Just
could
get
see it
closer.
again.
Yeah.
And I didn't do anything about it. I
Yeah.
was sitting in a chair one day at work. I felt something run down my back.
Mhm.
I thought it was sweat.
Right.
I reached around to touch my back, and I was like, "Oh my god!"
Yeah.
And people started saying, "Oh, what does that smell?"
It smelled horrible. Don't they know they're not supposed to say what's that smell, that could embarrass you?
The people I work with, they live to embarrass you.
You know, some of the people I work with are that way too, huh, Gonzo?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I know you don't.
I mean, these people like to call you out, make an example of you
Sounds like a
Every-
great place to work.
every chance, and they take pride in it.
No kidding. It sounds like just a blast. This thing is pretty big. So far, it's holding together. That's a good sign, yeah.
Crazy.
See how big that cyst is in there?
Yes. Hopefully we can get the whole stack as well.
I know. You know, my luck, that's gonna break. It just
Don't
is.
jinx yourself.
I'll tell you, jinxed me yesterday. My accountant jinxed me. Got me a traffic ticket coming home. Don't tell the DW, she doesn't know.
You
Called
she better not look at this video.
Kibosh.
I got one, different doctor, lawyer, a different one. I have one I've used for years though. I've got a little lead foot issue, I admit it.
Who doesn't?
How's our pain control doing?
It's doing a little bit.
we got you right there, didn't I? You want more medicine or you want me to keep going?
Come on. Let's keep going.
That's the spirit. That's why they call him Crusader. Got it loosening up there. Looks like an eyeball in there, doesn't it? Look at that.
It does.
That's impressive. You haven't been mating with any aliens, have you?
I'm not going to answer that.
Well,
Yeah.
this will be Men in Black 4. Never been abducted, right? Can't answer
Maybe.
that one either, yeah.
If they ever took me, they better not bring me back. I wouldn't want to come back.
You think so?
Mm-mm.
Can't say I blame you. Of course, they'd probably be nice to you there, huh?
I wouldn't want to ride around the spaceship.
You know, I think I would. What do you think, Fozzie?
That'd be fun.
Would you let the aliens abduct you if it meant you got to take a tour of the galaxy?
And no pain.
And have no pain? That's right.
Yeah. Don't bring me back.
All right, so we're kind of coming apart here, so we're going to kind of be a little more aggressive at getting this out. Can you see okay there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to push some of this on out now because it's going to make it easier to remove it all.
Ooh.
That's pretty impressive right there. What do you think? Looks like kind of smashed cauliflower, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now we got, whoop,
You
snip.
okay?
Just say more pain medicine, Doc. That's all you got to say. You got some more?
I'm gonna go get some more.
Why don't you get some more?
Yeah.
We'll work in a different area. We're actually making great progress here. You're going to love this video. Do you ever watch these things? You ever watch YouTube videos?
Oh, yeah, but
Not of this kind of thing. This is where the fun is.
Sort of looks like feta cheese.
Yeah? Kinda, maybe a little bit. Getting underneath here now. That's where I'm trying to do is get up underneath this cyst. Right in there. How's your view there, Fozzie? Are you seeing okay?
Seeing perfect.
It's almost time to order some new scissors. These are kind of losing their edge.
Those hurt.
These hurt?
Yes.
Well, you're not supposed to stick yourself with them.
I didn't. My Clendon took off a mole and snipped it and it didn't come off the first time.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You lost a mole, did you?
Mm-hmm. 2.
I got news for you, Mr. Crusader. This is, you're going to be very happy not to have this living inside of you anymore. Look at the size of that. That's really big. You got a shot for me? Very
This
good.
is just with the-
Stick, sting, and a burn. Are you ready, bud? A little more pain medicine coming in right here. Down deeper. You feel it?
nope.
Oh, maybe that's a good thing. over in here a little bit. I need to work over in that side a little bit more.
That's a big guy, my friend.
It's a really big cyst. When we said 10 pounds weight loss, we were only exaggerating by 9 pounds and 8 ounces. So that's something to be excited about.
Mm-hmm.
The old cyst scale. Jumpy, huh? More going in right now. You're right, this stuff does not work very well for you. You definitely don't want us to quit. You don't want to leave any of this behind. This is awful looking.
Just breathe. That's all sac material.
It's all sac and cyst right there, every bit of it.
Wow.
Yeah,
You all right, sir?
Yep.
every bit of it. You can tell it's old, and 9 years of a cyst that's drained spontaneously is going to leave you with a lot of scar material. Now that's cyst wall right there. See that?
I mean, I remember in about 2004, this lady hugged me and said, "Oh, you have a bra bump."
You have a bra bump?
Yeah. And I didn't do anything about it, probably for a couple of years
Yeah.
or longer.
You got it?
Yeah. Just give it to me.
Okay.
Hanzo can handle it.
Gonzo's got it, huh? So now we're just pulling out pieces. I think we've done all the cutting here we're probably going to need to do for a few minutes anyway. And so we're going to start removing this, what's left in here. There we go. We seem to have gotten a lot of these lately, huh, little Gonzo?
Yep.
Big messy cysts, so to speak.
Those are the good ones.
Yeah.
Brain. Okay. That's what it looks like.
That is all coming right out now. I think the hard part's over, buddy. So, Gonzo, I'm going to need the suture material here,
Suture as in.
stitches.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta be specific with me.
That was specific. Mr. Crusader, you okay, bud?
You want
Yep.
4 or 5 ethyl?
I want 4.
Cat gut.
No cat gut.
I bought 2.
You see him pretty well there,
Oh yeah.
Miss Fozzie Bear? That's scar tissue in there. Let's get a look in here now, one more time. I'd like for everybody to, you want to get me a little flush, please, ma'am?
Yeah.
I got good news for you, bud. You are cyst free.
Awesome.
We're going to put some stitches in here, and then we're going to kick you out to go do that job tomorrow you were telling me about.
See, it could be a 10-day job. I don't know.
You can just pour it in there.
It could be a half-a-day job. I don't know.
All right, Fozzie. And I want you to get a good picture in there so everybody can see that we're nice and clean.
Oh yeah.
See in there? All right. Now that we've cleaned it, I can actually see another little spot to get. Teeny tiny one, but it needs to go.
Oh yeah, we can't leave nothing in there.
No, 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 no. There it is right there and right there. Action.
Hey guys, I'm going nowhere. Medicine video's coming right up. And
Okay. No, we're going. Okay, go on. Tell us about Meta 7, for real.
I love it. It really does. It helps me focus. It gets me going. Wakes me up a little bit in the morning. It doesn't give me any jittery kind of feeling. Yeah, it's just kind of makes me feel balanced, not sleepy, but not too awake, not like a caffeine rush. I just feel good.
Makes you feel natural.
Yes.
Makes you feel alert
a
and awake.
natural, happy, alert. Yeah.
Yep.
It keeps me focused on anything that I'm working on, tasks at the office, things at home that I'm trying to get done. I feel like I'm able to get more into my day.
Good. That's awesome. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit. Has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.